Fact or fiction time? Do you need to replace your entire window? Simply put, no. That's fiction. You may not need a full frame window replacement if you have an issue. In fact, replacing your entire window could cost you up to 50% more than simply replacing the glass. Replacing existing glass with heat-retaining insulated glass units, or IGUs, offers a faster, simpler, more budget-friendly fix than a full frame window replacement. Here's what an IGU can fix. A broken pane, fast and cheap solution there. A foggy window, a new insert can address your foggy window issues. You can put a new IGU in an older frame to keep its historical style and for pennies on the dollar. You can also fix drafts after installing an IGU. So before you go about replacing your entire window, consider strategic glass replacement and call your local glass doctor if you need any help.